Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 12. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digit has sums that's less than or equal to 10. So, whenever we're looking at this problem, it's 76 plus 23 equals blank. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, our first step, is that we're going to break apart both numbers the 10 way. So I know 76 has 7 tens, so that's 70, and 6 ones, so that's 6. 23 has 2 tens, so that's 20, and 3 ones, which is 3. So now I'm going to add my 10s together, so my 70 and my 20. I know that 70 plus 20 equals 90, because 7 plus 2 equals 9, and then I add those 0 ones. Then I'm going to add my 6 and my 3 together, which is 9. So now 9 plus 9 equals 99. So that means that 76 plus 23 is 99. And then I could also check with a picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 78. Up. Let me count again. Make sure that I count with my 10s. All my 10s first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 99. So 99 is correct. Whenever we're doing the picture, we need to make sure we count all those 10s first, then our 1s, which is what I made a mistake on. Alright guys, that's it for this video.